Truth is, we didn't know what we were building. We were enthusiastic about the prospect of being able to do some very interesting things to help people, but we didn't have a mission to speak of. Then Bill and Melinda gave us a 5-word North Star. All lives have equal value.
Senior demonstrated over and over that you have to pair showing up with standing up. For our programs and our beliefs, yes, but also we need to stand up and emphasize that as individuals, as foundations, as communities, and as governments, we have an obligation to act. But it makes me so happy to see that, nominated by their peers, the Bill Gates Senior Award winners truly embody those same attributes.
I'm excited to announce that the winner of the award is Roshan Shrestha.
As part of the award, I was granted $100,000 charitable fund, which I have donated to Nepal Rising Organization, close to my heart.
So Teach for Nepal, we basically work in public schools, and public schools are where most of the underprivileged students attend. So basically about 75% of all our students in Nepal actually attend public schools, but unfortunately less than 30% actually graduate from 10th grade. And that is the crisis that Teach for Nepal tries to address by sending some of the most outstanding young people to teach in the classrooms. So the grant that we received from Roshan Raj Shrestha last year made it possible for us to recruit about 50 fellows who were teaching about 5,000 students. The grant directly helped us get 5 fellows to be teaching about 500 students in some of the most remote schools in Nepal. Our fellows were able to make sure that these kids were not left alone, that they had somebody to lean on, that they didn't have to sort of navigate through these complexities alone. So I think that was the biggest accomplishment of this grant, was just making sure that every child had a teacher, a role model that they could lean on.
Namaste, I'm Dr. Angira Shrestha. I'm working as an ophthalmologist and a head of department in the Tulikhel Hospital. So as our hospital's motto is accessible and affordable healthcare service to all. In this motto, we are reaching to the unreached patients through our 18 outreach centers. So in this service, we did 2 cataract surgical camp at the Balara, which is in the Sarlai district, and the Putar, which is in the junction of the Tanau, Palpa and Nawalpur. And then we were able to select the cataract patient, and we were able to do the 62 cataract surgeries into these 2 outreach centers. So we are able to restore their vision, and we are very happy and we are very thankful to Sir Bill Gates and also Dr. Roshan Raj Shrestha, who helped us to sponsor these camps. Like, we are able to go there and do the service to the needy people. So thank you so much.
In September 2024, when the devastating flood hit Nepal, many lives were left struggling, and Dr. Roshan was one of the first person to contact me during that time. He was really eager to help, and he knew that Karma Yug Foundation was working on the disaster relief. So the funds which we received by him, we helped over 500 families during that time. And later on, after completing the disaster relief project, Dr. Roshan asked me, is there any project in pipeline that I could support? So at that time, we were doing a playground project, building a playground using the discarded materials. And Dr. Roshan really liked the idea and he wanted to support. And during that time, more than 300 students were empowered, and the smile, the joy that was created by this project was immense. It was beyond the words. So firstly, I would really like to thank Dr. Roshan for supporting our initiative and for being part of this small act of kindness that we have been doing in the community of Nepal. And more importantly, I would like to thank him for all the contribution that he has made in Nepal and in global stage. And I wish him all the very best.
The way Bill Senior talked about collaboration. The collaboration means how you will engage. You need a strong network, and without that network, without understanding that network, we cannot be success.